Hey everybody, my name is Derek Puzangara. I'm an instructor here at Granite State Indoor Range and Gun Shop. We made this new shooter series to help anybody that's new to firearms or just needs a refresher on the basics. And the first thing we're going to start with is the safety rules, because safety is paramount whenever handling a firearm. We have two main safety rules here at Granite State Indoor Range and Gun Shop. The first one is muzzle management and trigger finger discipline. Let's talk about that first safety rule, muzzle management. What is the muzzle of your firearm? It's right here at the end of the barrel where the round actually leaves the gun. We want to make sure that this end is never pointed at person or property. So there's nothing between the muzzle of the gun and a hard backstop like a concrete wall or a concrete floor. The next one of those safety rules that we talked about is trigger finger discipline. The trigger finger, I'm a right-handed person, so that's the index finger on my right hand. I want to make sure that whenever I'm handling a gun, loaded or unloaded, my finger is high up on the slide of the firearm. The slide is this top portion here. The reason being is I never want my finger anywhere near the trigger guard of your firearm where my finger can creep close to the trigger. As human beings, when you get excited, we tend to do things like this. So being here on the trigger guard just increases the likelihood that you could get excited and do unsafe things like this. This is what we want to avoid at all times. So we never, ever, ever bring our finger into the trigger guard until we have both hands on the firearm looking through our sights, ready to fire. And once I've made the conscious decision to fire, my finger can start to look for the trigger of the firearm. And that's it for our video on firearm safety. Just remember the two rules we have here, muzzle management and trigger finger discipline. As long as you can use and apply both those rules, you'll keep yourself and your family safe. We look forward to seeing you here at Granite State Indoor Range and Gun Shop. Also check out this next video on basic firearms operation.